What's going on, guys? This is Eddie at RMC Miami doing a walk around video on our 08 CLK63 Black Series. This car has been highly modified. It's been supercharged with a Weistec Stage 3 supercharger kit. Was upgraded by the guys over at Eurofed. It's got 700 horsepower to the tire, countless modifications. Weistec tune, CCW wheels, factory coilover suspension. We do have the factory wheels for the car as well. It's got PPF on the entire front clip, including bumper, hood, and fenders and side skirts, which you can kind of tell. When you get close to it, you see all that. All that is PPF. So these are all PPF. It's PPF all the way down the back. And what you have is a really clean car. So this Black Series is white, which is really rare. They only made 500 cars. I forgot what percentage it was. Very low percentage of them are white. Clean Carfax, super clean. Great fitment on the wheels. RAAA tires all around. It's got like $60,000 in receipts. It's got a roll bar in it. It's got a Motec display here, which displays boost, temperature, engine temperature, all the vitals you would want on a high performance car. Go ahead and I'll do a cold start on it. Sounds crazy with the headers and the exhaust. As you'll see in the driving video, it's got 23,000 miles. It's got the original window sticker, all the records. It's got these carbon door cards, super nice. All the instruments, everything's in great shape. Minor bolster wear on the seat, no rips, no tears. Great roll bar setup. HIDs. Beautiful DTM spoiler here. Carbon fiber diffuser. Car's really, really nice. Sounds crazy as well. Just a little preview. Let me show you the engine bay. Looks very OEM, even though it's got the blower kit on it. Oh. There we go. Beautiful engine bay. There's the Weistec blower. Got a huge oil cooler over here. All the proper fittings. Super, super clean. Really, really nice car. If you have any questions on this car, feel free to call me. My phone number is 305-527-6867. You can follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami. And you can see the car live on our website on rmcmiami.com. Thanks for watching and hope to hear from you guys soon.